بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
وَلَقَدْ أَضَلَّ مِنكُمْ جِبِلًّا كَثِيرًا أَفَلَمْ تَكُونُوا تَعْقِلُونَ.
And he had already led astray from among you much of creation. So did you not use reason?
هَٰذِهِ جَهَنَّمُ الَّتِي كُنتُمْ تُوعَدُونَ.
This is the hellfire which you were promised.
اصْلَوْهَا الْيَوْمَ بِمَا كُنتُمْ تَكْفُرُونَ.
Enter to burn therein today for what you used to deny.
الْيَوْمَ نَخْتِمُ عَلَىٰ أَفْوَاهِهِمْ وَتُكَلِّمُنَا أَيْدِيهِمْ وَتَشْهَدُ أَرْجُلُهُم بِمَا كَانُوا يَكْسِبُونَ.
That day we will seal over their mouths, and their hands will speak to us, and their feet will testify about what they used to earn.
وَلَوْ نَشَاءُ لَطَمَسْنَا عَلَىٰ أَعْيُنِهِمْ فَاسْتَبَقُوا الصِّرَاطَ فَأَنَّىٰ يُبْصِرُونَ.
And if we willed, we could have obliterated their eyes, and they would race to find the path, and how could they see?
وَلَوْ نَشَاءُ لَمَسَخْنَاهُمْ عَلَىٰ مَكَانَتِهِمْ فَمَا اسْتَطَاعُوا مُضِيًّا وَلَا يَرْجِعُونَ.
And if we willed, we could have deformed them, paralyzing them in their places, so they would not be able to proceed, nor could they return.
وَمَن نُّعَمِّرْهُ نُنَكِّسْهُ فِي الْخَلْقِ أَفَلَا يَعْقِلُونَ.
And he to whom we grant long life we reverse in creation. So will they not understand?
وَمَا عَلَّمْنَاهُ الشِّعْرَ وَمَا يَنبَغِي لَهُ إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا ذِكْرٌ وَقُرْآنٌ مُبِينٌ.
And we did not give Prophet Muhammad knowledge of poetry, nor is it befitting for him. It is not but a message and a clear Quran.
لِيُنذِرَ مَن كَانَ حَيًّا وَيَحِقَّ الْقَوْلُ عَلَى الْكَافِرِينَ.
To warn whoever is alive and justify the word against the disbelievers.
أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا أَنَّا خَلَقْنَا لَهُم مِّمَّا عَمِلَتْ أَيْدِينَا أَنْعَامًا فَهُمْ لَهَا مَالِكُونَ.
Do they not see that we have created for them, from what our hands have made, grazing livestock, and then they are their owners?
وَذَلَّلْنَاهَا لَهُمْ فَمِنْهَا رَكُوبُهُمْ وَمِنْهَا يَأْكُلُونَ.
And we have tamed them for them, so some of them they ride, and some of them they eat.
وَلَهُمْ فِيهَا مَنَافِعُ وَمَشَارِبُ أَفَلَا يَشْكُرُونَ.
And for them therein are other benefits and drinks, so will they not be grateful?
وَاتَّخَذُوا مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ آلِهَةً لَّعَلَّهُمْ يُنصَرُونَ.
But they have taken besides Allah false deities that perhaps they would be helped.
لَا يَسْتَطِيعُونَ نَصْرَهُمْ وَهُمْ لَهُمْ جُندٌ مُّحْضَرُونَ.
They are not able to help them, and they themselves are for them soldiers in attendance.
فَلَا يَحْزُنكَ قَوْلُهُمْ إِنَّا نَعْلَمُ مَا يُسِرُّونَ وَمَا يُعْلِنُونَ.
So let not their speech grieve you. Indeed, we know what they conceal and what they declare.
أَوَلَمْ يَرَ الْإِنسَانُ أَنَّا خَلَقْنَاهُ مِن نُّطْفَةٍ فَإِذَا هُوَ خَصِيمٌ مُّبِينٌ.
Does man not consider that we created him from a mere sperm drop? Then at once he is a clear adversary.
وَضَرَبَ لَنَا مَثَلًا وَنَسِيَ خَلْقَهُ قَالَ مَن يُحْيِي الْعِظَامَ وَهِيَ رَمِيمٌ.
And he presents for us an example and forgets his own creation. He says, who will give life to bones while they are disintegrated?
قُلْ يُحْيِيهَا الَّذِي أَنشَأَهَا أَوَّلَ مَرَّةٍ وَهُوَ بِكُلِّ خَلْقٍ عَلِيمٌ.
Say, He will give them life who produced them the first time, and He is of all creation knowing.
الَّذِي جَعَلَ لَكُم مِّنَ الشَّجَرِ الْأَخْضَرِ نَارًا فَإِذَا أَنتُم مِّنْهُ تُوقِدُونَ.
It is He who made for you from the green tree fire, and then from it you ignite.
أَوَلَيْسَ الَّذِي خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ بِقَادِرٍ عَلَىٰ أَن يَخْلُقَ مِثْلَهُم بَلَىٰ وَهُوَ الْخَلَّاقُ الْعَلِيمُ.
Is not He who created the heavens and the earth able to create the likes of them? Yes, it is so, and He is the knowing Creator.
إِنَّمَا أَمْرُهُ إِذَا أَرَادَ شَيْئًا شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون.
His command is only when he intends a thing that he says to it, be, and it is.
فسبحان الذي بيده ملكوت كل شيء وإليه ترجعون.
So exalted is he in whose hand is the realm of all things, and to him you will be returned.